How to share internet connection from Windows to mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you guys can share your internet connection from your Windows device to your mobile. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is hover over to your Wi-Fi option right here, then tap on it. After you do that, this pop-up should open up. Now, if you find the Wi-Fi hotspot option right here, you can simply tap on it. Else, you can search for it, and you should find the mobile hotspot option. Tap on it to enable it. Now, what you can do to change the settings for it is head over to your settings. On your settings, you can go to your network and internet. On your network and internet, you'll find the mobile hotspot option. You can enable this button from right here as well. Tap on mobile hotspot. And after you do that, you should find the name and network properties. So here you can see the name of your hotspot that you give, the password for it, and the band. You can also scan to this QR to connect to it. And yeah, that's basically how you can share your mobiles. That's basically how you can share your Windows Wi-Fi to your mobile. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and goodbye.